Alright guys, I'm out here today, or this afternoon, late this afternoon, trying to change the seat on the loader. I went and picked me up one Tractor Supply. Like I said, they have everything. We're going to try to change this seat out today. My father-in-law bought this loader in '96. When he passed away, my mother-in-law sold it to me, and I've had it for probably 3.5 years, something like that, 4 years. He passed away about 5 years ago. He's the one I always talk about. Like I say, you're going to hear more about him coming up videos. Probably going to talk about him a lot. He's probably part of the inspiration of me trying to try to do these videos. Maybe you have someone like that in your life, you know. But we're going to try to work on this. Like I say, he bought it in '96, brand new. I think there's probably just a little over 1,000 hours on it, so not a whole lot. But probably a couple of years before he passed away, he had the drive motor fixed on it. It went out, didn't work. I think he was over here, I don't know, several years before he passed away, in the woods using it, and I think he thought that the drive motor went out on it again, but it wasn't the drive motor, it was actually the drive chain. Thank goodness. The drive motor is about $4,000. Chain was what, 150, and it took me 2 days and me and 2 other guys to put it on. One of those guys was my son-in-law and his nephew. So we finally got it on, got it going, and I've been using it for, you know, a year or so now. But been trying to work on it a little bit here and there. I replaced all the seals because it was leaking oil. I mean, I'd put hydraulic oil in it like crazy, but I still got a problem with the one cylinder, the lift cylinder. It's kind of, you know, still not right. I don't know what's going on. I think there may be a burr on the shaft or something. I'm not sure what it is, but it still lets it leak. But for the most part, it does what it needs to do. Like I say, I do a lot of clearing on our property and everything with it. Hopefully you'll get to see more videos of that. But I'm gonna try to replace the seat. I bought some clamps that go on the side of my lift arm that holds the hydraulic lines on. The guy at the case place ordered those for me. I got those in. I think I can put at least one on. I think that's the reason, you know, my first video you seen the strap on the arm. That's the reason the strap's on the arm. But I do have one of the brackets. I think I'm missing a bolt that I need to put the other one on, but at least we can get one of them on for right now, and hopefully to stay until I can get that bolt done. But like I say, the case guy said that they don't even make the seats anymore for these. They don't even make a replacement. That's crazy. But like I said, I went up to Tractor Supply, picked one up there. I hope it fits. But we're gonna try to put that on, put some hydraulic oil in, maybe clean it up a little bit. My first video when I was going through all that property line clearing, I wish I would have got all the video right there at the end of that. I mean, I was going through a tunnel of just vines and everything. That would have been a good video for y'all to see, but I was just covered up, and Probably my closing out on that first video. Y'all probably could tell I sounded a little funny and was out of breath. Like I said, I closed out that video and I was just out of breath. I walked around the whole property. I was just so congested, if you will. Couldn't even hardly talk. That's the reason that was I was sounding like that. Like that. But we're gonna get started. I'm gonna try to get the seat on today and try to put this hydraulic fluid in, put a little fuel in, tinker around with it a little bit. And actually where we're standing in this area, I haven't panned out, I can't pan out far enough, but I'm gonna actually put a building here eventually in this area. I was gonna put it on the other side of our house, but I'm gonna put it right here. My wife wants a pretty one, if you will. So she wants a porch on the front of our shed. But we're gonna try to get this thing up and going, and where I can have a good place to sit, if you will. Because like I say, that seat is definitely wore out. All right, here we go. I think I'm gonna start on just one bracket anyway. See what we got here. I think we'll turn this camera down a little bit. Hopefully y'all can see what I'm looking at. $20. $25 for that little piece of metal. Expensive. We'll see if we can get this one on anyway and see what we can do. If I can climb my rear up in here without killing myself. Let's see. I think I can get this one. Oh yeah. $25. Crazy. Get this thing on here. You got to be kidding me. Replacement part. The bolt is too. Nope, that ain't gonna work. I may have to that's the original boat. May have to show that out a little more. Well, I reckon we won't put that on right now. Maybe I did. I reckon we'll work on the seat. I replaced all these hoses here recently, except for this one. Couldn't get this one off because all this got to have a small enough wrench to get it right in here. And when I was taking it off, you start twisting all this and break that, then you got to replace the whole confounded line. So it's crazy. So let me see if we can start on the seat. I hope these bolt hole lines line up with my new seat. My father-in-law once, we hit old property we used to live on. He was clearing to do like a fire pit because we were building a house, and he actually was digging the hole. Had it all dug, had some stuff in there burning, trying to clean some stuff up. Ran the loader off in there while the thing is burning, the pit is burning. Had to jump out of that thing real quick, get up there, grab the hose. Thank goodness we had water on the property at the time. Grabbed the hose, started trying to put the fire out. His loader was down in there still running, couldn't even, had to jump out really fast. Just went sideways and couldn't stop it. So we got the fire out and managed to get it out. But scary moment for sure. Scary moment, scary. I don't know if this replacement seat has any of the bolts or not. I don't know. We'll see. The whole bottom pan of this seat is gone. That's probably why my derriere always hurts when I get off this thing. It's completely gone. Oh sure, now it wants to come flying off. I'm no mechanic either. Had to work on a lot of equipment. Say I used to work for my father-in-law years ago when he had his business, but we worked on a lot of equipment. Think that's wore out? I think it is. Hey. I'm just hoping this new seat works. She's a worn out. There, I didn't even know you can move this thing back, adjust. Doesn't look like it's been adjusted in a while. Okay, let's throw this over here. You don't need a knife, scoop. County line seats. think something so small comes in 500 parts. We'll see. Oh, the plate. Look. Adjustment. Oh my God, I can't believe it. I think that's the back. Oh my God, she's beautiful. Perfect, just for me. All right. I don't think that was supposed to happen. All right. I'm hoping these these work. I hope these work. I don't know. This looks like they wedged in. Those look like they're pressed in. Let's see if we can press them out. What I'm gonna probably do is just make a mess. Nope. That's not going to work. We're gonna do something different. We are going to put this back on. Just like that. And then we'll go see if I can find some other little boats. I think I may have some somewhere. Look for them. I got skills, so I'll figure out something. All right, so I'll be right back. Let me see what I can find.